Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello little learners. Today we are going to explore amazing fire vehicles that help put out fires and save lives. Fire helicopter. This is a fire helicopter. It flies high in the sky and drops water on forest fires. Fireboat. This is a fireboat. It floats on water and fights fires near the sea, bridges, or ships. Amphibious fire vehicle. This is an amphibious fire vehicle. It can move on land and float on water. It's super cool and helps fight fires anywhere. Fire hovercraft. This is a fire hovercraft. It glides on air and can travel over water, mud, or snow. Fire motorcycle. This is a fire motorcycle. It zooms through traffic to reach fires super fast. Fire command vehicle. This is a fire command vehicle. It helps the fire chief control all the rescue teams. Fire engine. This is a fire engine. It rushes to fires with loud sirens and flashing lights. Ladder truck. This is a ladder truck. It has a long, tall ladder that helps firefighters reach high buildings. Foam fire truck. This is a foam fire truck. It sprays thick foam instead of water to stop fires quickly. Airport crash tender. This is an airport crash tender. It helps put out fires at airports when airplanes are in trouble. Wildland fire engine. This is a wildland fire engine. It fights fires in forests and grassy areas far from the city. Water tanker truck. This is a water tanker truck. It carries a lot of water to places where there's no hydrant. Firefighting drone. This is a firefighting drone. It's small, smart, and flies where humans can't go. Pickup fire truck. This is a pickup fire truck. It's small but super quick and helps in smaller emergencies. Firefighting plane. This is a firefighting plane. It carries thousands of liters of water or fire retardant.